In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your WordPress site to static HTML. This can be a great way to enhance the security and speed of your website, removing any server-side processes and allowing you to deliver your content quickly and efficiently to your users. Let's dive right into the process. To get started, you'll want to begin at your WordPress dashboard. You're going to add a new plugin, which is a handy tool that will help automate this transition for you. First, look for the menu option labeled Plugins. Hover over it and then click on Add New. This will take you to the plugin installation page. In the search bar on the top right, type in Simply Static. This plugin is specifically designed to convert your WordPress site's content into a static format. Once you've found it, click the Install Now button. After a few moments, that button will change to say Activate. Go ahead and click it. With Simply Static now activated, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you have the plugin ready to go, you'll see a new option in your dashboard menu called Simply Static. Head over to this section and locate the tab that says Generate. In this tab, you'll find a button labeled Generate Static Files. Clicking on this button prompts the plugin to begin crawling through your entire website. This includes all your posts, pages, images, and any other assets you might have on your site. The plugin works to create the static version of your site, essentially taking a snapshot of the entire structure and content. It's worth noting that depending on the size of your website, this process can take a few minutes. You don't want to interrupt this operation, so it's a good idea to be patient and let the plugin do its job thoroughly. As it works, it ensures that all the elements of your site, big or small, are included in the static version. This thorough approach guarantees that your site retains its functionality while gaining the benefits of static content, such as enhanced loading speeds and improved security measures. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully converted your WordPress site into static HTML. This new static version of your site will typically require less server load and offer a faster, more secure browsing experience for your visitors. Converting to a static site can be particularly beneficial if you're looking to reduce your site's susceptibility to attacks while still maintaining its content-rich nature. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy website building!